3 weeks ago, I tried dropshipping for the first time and it didn't end that well. So this time I decided to not spend any money on ads and go fully organic. And here is exactly what happened. Firstly, I needed a product to dropship. Since I wasn't spending any money on ads, I need something that's gonna go super viral. Mad viral to where it catches people's attention immediately. So just like last time, I searched for a product on TikTok ads library. After about 5 hours of scrolling through ads, I came up with a decent product. I think I could easily break the internet with this product, so I ordered it right away. While I was waiting on the product to arrive, I started building a website for it. So I created the website and it turned out to look something like this. I used the successful dropshipping store criteria to create this store to help it get sales. The next day my product arrived and it was time to get to work. The product I chose was the portable charger. It's way better because it's a portable charger just for iPhones and everybody's phone go dead, and sometimes people don't even have chargers. So this is the great product to sell for dropshipping. Now, as every dropshipper knows, you need to have 1,000 followers to put a link inside your TikTok bio. So I just went ahead and bought followers. But for some reason when I was creating my videos, they all stopped at 0 views. So I created a new account to see if that would change. As soon as I made that switch, my first video went somewhat viral. Then the video after that followed lead. It had been 3 days and now I'm going to give you guys my results. So I posted 2 TikTok ads every day for 3 days. On that day, I got about 4 sales. Each sale ended up to be about $14.99. So unfortunately, it wasn't a crazy amount of profit. So we'll be trying this again. But it's pretty good considering I only worked on it for about like 2 hours. Maybe next video we're going to try something different. Grab and like if you want to see a part 4.